Have you been thinking of the best ways to make money online and earn some extra cash for yourself during your free time and you don't have a clear-cut idea on how to start up? You can do so many things like article writing, freelancing, blogging, internet marketing, affiliate marketing etc. Making money online is not very difficult. In most cases you don't need to own a website or online platform, or even sell products. Depending on your specialty and the skill you possess, you can make money online through any of the following ways listed below and much more. 1. Freelancing. Being a freelancer is one of the best ways to make money online. Freelancing involves being skilled in a particular aspect, whereby people in need of your service can hire you to do a job for them in exchange of money for services rendered. If you are skilled in areas like article writing, Photoshop editing, graphic design, website design and development, video editing and animation services and much more, you can sign up on popular freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Odesk, Upwork, Freelancer, Peoples Per Hour etc. These platforms provide the opportunity of showcasing your abilities, making it easier for people in need of your services to locate and hire you. 2. Blogging. For people with particular interests in any subject, you can decide to start up a blog on areas like cooking, dancing, fashion, fitness etc. But first, before you can be able to earn money with your blog, you need to grow your audience and blog readers. After you have successfully grown your blog audience, and your daily traffic has increased considerably, you can proceed to monetize your blog through any of the top website monetization platforms like Google AdSense, Media.net, Chatika, and Content.ad. These website monetization platforms pay you for clicks and impressions generated from advert units placed on your blog or website. WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to set up a money-making blog for you free. We offer web design and web hosting. We can help you to set up a blog according to your skills. We offer free domain name and we charge only for web hosting service at just $3.95 per month. 3. Paid surveys. Paid surveys are one of the best ways to make money online. There are so many companies and firms that are willing to hear your opinion about their services and products in exchange for a reward. Companies use paid surveys as a valuable tool to gather information on the quality of their goods and services. They also accept all types of feedbacks, both negative and positive. The statistics retrieved from these surveys are used as guidelines to improve their standards. From my experience, the best way to make money online is using blog. I recommend it. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by us LoyalWebsite.com that provide domain registration for free. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. We are the hosting provider where we help you to host your website and help you to set up unlimited email address for your business. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. Our LoyalWebsite.com customers no need to worry about web design. We set up your website for free. We charge only for hosting service. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, we will help you to set up fully finished website. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. Check your domain name on internet at loyalwebsite.com. We offer free domain name and web design. We charge only for hosting service at just $3.95 month for beginners. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.